Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Ray and I make natural hair videos, grad school and college videos, and everything in between. So if you're interested in that type of content, then I definitely encourage you to check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel to keep with all of my future content. So today I'm going to be doing the Aztec Healing Clay Mask on my hair. If you guys aren't familiar, this is the Aztec Healing Clay Mask. I'm sure you have seen it before. I've only ever used this mask on my skin, but I've never ever used it on my hair. So pretty much what it is, it's like a detox, I guess, for your hair. Pretty much just like stripping all of the product buildup that you may have accumulated over time, or just completely resetting your hair. And lately my hair has been really dry. I haven't been deep conditioning as much as I should. It's winter, it's cold, my hair has just been a mess. So I'm not gonna do too much rambling about what this is and what it does. I'm just gonna get straight into it. This is a week and a few days old wash and go, which really made my hair dry. I've just been putting it in a bun for like the past week basically. If you want to see my hair go from this to this, then keep on watching. You're of course gonna need the Aztec Healing Clay, apple cider vinegar, a non-metal mixing spoon, and a non-metal mixing bowl. So there's no real specific amount that I'm gonna put. I'm just gonna put how much I think I need. You need to make sure that you're adding the apple cider vinegar in really small portions. Add it little by little until you get a creamy consistency like this. I do also want to mention that I'm not doing this on already washed hair. You don't want to shampoo your hair before you do this, because this is your wash day. So you don't want to strip your hair twice. Alright you guys, so I had initially planned on using my warm water in a spray bottle, but I am no longer doing that. I ended up just rinsing out my hair just now and getting it wet. I really need to get to every little bit and strand of my hair, and this mask will be going on your scalp. Like, it needs to go from root all the way to the end, so you want to be really detailed and thorough when you're doing this. This is what I look like. Girl, I could slap a wig on top of this. Anyway, so I'm finally done applying this very messy mask to my hair. I worked in really small sections. My advice for you guys would be to do this mask on your hair after you've already detangled your hair. Having to detangle while trying to put this mask in your hair, it just makes it 10 times worse. It makes it take way longer than it should, and it makes it just so much harder to be done with this. And this is not something you want to spend a lot of time on, because I love to take control of my curls. I love to define my curls. I love to know that like there are products and things that I can use that will, you know, force my hair to lay down. That's not a perm. And I feel like this did just that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Like, my curls are just laying down. Look at that. What I'm gonna do is just wrap it up in a little bun. So I'm gonna go ahead, put a plastic cap. I'm gonna clean this mess up. It should take me about 15 minutes, and I think that would be enough time for this mask to do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Probably like 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna wash it out, and I'm gonna come back to you guys with the results. This is what my hair looks like after freshly washing it out. When I was in the shower, I literally had to get out the shower and look at my hair, because I just couldn't believe that my curls were so like alive. My hair has not looked like this in a very long time. You can even see in the back here, my curls are popping like they never have before. Look at that. My curls haven't done this in a very long time. Just curls, curls, curls. This mask will make your hair squeaky clean. That is the purpose of it. So you do want to make sure that you use a conditioner afterwards, or do a deep conditioning treatment. That's what I'll be doing, or some type of hair mask, because you want to restore that moisture. It was worth the time it took. It was worth the mess it made. It was worth it, okay? Now, a few things. One, I did leave the mask in for like, pretty sure it was an hour and a half. And I just got carried away. I did put a plastic bag on my head, and I wrapped a t-shirt over my head as well to like kind of like keep the moisture in there. And when I took that off, when I took the plastic cap off, as you'll see here, my hair was still moist. It wasn't dry and crispy like everyone else said, and it washed out a lot easier than I thought it would have. I thought it was gonna be really hard. It literally washed out in like 5 minutes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, then definitely be sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep all of my future content. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.